Good morning, students. Today we are going to read History, Chapter 4, The Mughal Empire. In this chapter, we will read about Mughal dynasty and how they rule over India. Mughal Empire was established in India during 16th and 17th century. But how Mughal dynasty originated in India? Let's read about it. Listen to a story behind the origination. It was from mother's side, and it was Genghis Khan, who was a ruler of Mongolia and China, and he was a rival of Uzbeks. There was constant rebel between Mongols and Uzbeks. Mongols were the people who caused lot of massacre and who were hurting lot of innocent people. But the father of ancestry of Mughals were from Iran and Iraq. They were Taimurs. Taimur, who attacked India in 1398. But later on, Babur invaded India. So here is the idea how ancestry of Mughals started, and presently Prime Minister of India addresses the nation on Independence Day from Red Fort in Delhi, which was the residence of Mughal Empire at that time. It means Red Fort was the resident of Mughal Empire during that century. Now let's see the ancestry of Mughals. There are some Mughals about whom there is not much mention in the history, like Miran Shah, Sultan Muhammad Mirza, Abu Sayyid and Umar Sheikh. But after that, Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb was the major rulers. But after the Mughal dynasty vanished, there was a succession clash between the successors of Aurangzeb. So yes, students, let's start with the first major Mughal ruler, Babur. Babur succeeded to the throne at 12 years. He was the ruler of Farangang in 1494. There were constant attacks that Babur had to face from Uzbeks. So he was forced to leave his ancestral throne, but he seized back Kabul in 1504. In 1526, he defeated Ibrahim Lodi. And Ibrahim Lodi, he was the Sultan of Delhi, and he defeated him in the Battle of Panipat. Later on, he captured Agra and Delhi, and Afghans were the constant threat to the Mughal during that time. So in 1527, again Babur defeated Rana Sanga, who was a Rajput rulers and allies at Kanauj. In 1528, he again defeated the Rajputs in the Battle of Chanderi. So this was the history of Babur.